Have you ever gotten tired of frying eggs the traditional way? The egg whites end up tough and slightly burnt, while the yolks become dry and hard to eat. Today I'm going to show you 2 new ways to make eggs for breakfast. I bet you'll be surprised by the fluffy fried egg. It looks complicated, but it's actually very easy to make. Stay until the end because the second recipe is packed with protein incredibly quick and a great choice for a healthy breakfast. Roll up your sleeves and let's start with the first recipe, fluffy fried eggs. Prepare 3 eggs. For this fluffy egg method, we need to separate the egg whites from the yolks. This step may seem small, but it determines how light and fluffy the eggs will be. Prepare 4 bowls, 1 large bowl for the egg whites and 3 bowls for the egg yolks. The bowl for the egg whites needs to be clean, dry, and free of grease, because even a little moisture or oil can make it harder for the egg whites to whip up. Now, crack 1 egg at a time and gently separate the white from the yolk. If you have an egg separator, you can use it. If not, a small clean funnel can also help. Let the egg white flow down while the yolk stays on top. Be gentle because we want to keep the yolks intact to use later. After separating all of the egg whites, start whipping them with a whisk or an electric mixer. At first, the egg whites will look loose and thin with many large air bubbles. Be patient and keep whisking. After a few minutes, you will see the texture begin to change. The egg whites will turn white, thicker, smoother, and much fluffier. When you lift the whisk and see soft peaks forming, that means the egg whites are ready. Now heat a non-stick pan over low heat. Add a little oil and spread it evenly over the surface of the pan. Add the whipped egg whites to the pan and divide them into 3 small portions. Use a spoon to make a small well in the center to help hold the yolk neatly. Cook over low heat so the egg whites do not burn. When the bottom begins to set carefully, place 1 egg yolk in the center of each portion. Sprinkle a little salt and black pepper on top. Then cover the pan and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how soft you like it. And look at the result. The egg whites are lightly puffed, soft like clouds, while the yolks in the center are still golden and creamy. Now I'll gently cut 1 egg in half. Can you see that? The yolk slowly flows down over the fluffy white egg layer underneath, looking much more tempting than regular fried eggs. This egg dish is rich in protein, fragrant and creamy, but lighter than the usual deep-fried style, making it perfect for breakfast or a light meal during the day. How do you usually eat eggs in the morning? Share with me in the comments. If you think the first recipe was impressive, just wait until you see this one. It takes only a few minutes to make, is packed with protein, and has a beautiful golden color thanks to 1 simple seasoning. To make this dish, first prepare a handful of bok choy or any leafy green you have, wash it well and let it drain. Then take 1 onion, peel it and chop it finely. Now crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a little milk and whisk well until the mixture is smooth. Milk can help make the eggs a little softer, but don't add too much or the mixture will become too thin. If you don't use milk, that is fine too. The eggs will still taste very good. Place a pan on the stove over medium-low heat and add a little butter. When the butter melts and begins to release a warm aroma, add the chopped onion. Then add 1/2 spoonful of turmeric powder and a small pinch of cumin powder to create a beautiful golden color and a warm fragrance. Keep the heat low so the onion and spices do not burn. If turmeric burns, it will become bitter, so stir slowly and let the onion soften for a few minutes. Then add the prepared greens. This turmeric scrambled egg dish is one of the little secrets my grandmother often mentioned. Eggs provide quality protein, helping the body feel energized and fuller for longer. Turmeric gives the dish a beautiful golden color and a gentle, warm flavor. Leafy greens add fiber vitamins and make the dish feel fresher. Push the onion and greens to one side, then pour in the beaten eggs. Let the egg sit for a few seconds until the bottom starts to set slightly. Then gently pull the eggs from the edge of the pan toward the center. Keep the heat at medium-low and turn off the stove while the eggs are still slightly soft, because the heat in the pan will continue cooking them. As soon as the eggs reach your desired doneness, transfer them to a plate and enjoy. Wow, this is wonderful! I really wish you could smell this aroma right now. The eggs are lightly golden soft and moist, mixed with the greens and the pleasant scent of turmeric. You can serve them with toast avocado, a small salad, hot rice, or roasted sweet potatoes. I hope today's 2 egg dishes give you more ideas for quick, warm, and easy breakfasts at home. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple cooking tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.